Hi, I'm Mindy Brown. I'm the MA Program Supervisor at IntelliTec College. I've been in the medical assisting field for more than 20 years. I originally got into the medical field because I needed a quick program. I wanted the medical field because I've always wanted to work with patients and help them with their health. But I got into this particular field because it was a quick program that I could do at night while my husband was home so that he could watch the kids. And I really enjoy the atmosphere. I enjoy the instructors that work with me, and I really enjoy the students. Our student population is very diverse. We have people that are going back to school after working in a different career for years and years. We have people that are fresh out of high school, so we have a wide range of people, and that's always interesting and fun to work with. One thing I really like about running a medical assisting program is that when working in the field, I could touch all those lives of the patients that I came in contact with on a daily basis. I could make sure that their day was going a little bit better after they left. Maybe I can't fix the fact that they have a disease or a disorder or a problem, but I can make sure that their blood draw today was not as painful as it could be, or I can make sure that the injection that I gave was not as traumatizing as one that they may have had in the past. So I can touch those lives. And then teaching allows me to touch more lives because now I'm teaching the students that are going to go out there and do that same job. So I'm touching the lives, ultimately, of all of the patients that they're going to come in contact with. So the medical assisting program is a wonderful program because it allows you to work with people. And for me, working with people helps fulfill a need inside of me to be helpful. And I enjoy the ability to interact with people on a regular basis. This program here at IntelliTec College is fascinating because we have an actual clinic built into the building, and so our facility has the capability of allowing us to room actual patients or using each other, our classmates, if you will, as patients, rooming them, finding out what the doctor's orders are. Rather than just practicing skills over and over again, we're using our skills in a real world scenario.